Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on MEIZU mBlu 21. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can select your default browser, or you can just click cancel, and here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Now you can click sign in, or you can click not now. Here you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now, and here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and it's ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.